My name is Karl, and I do odd jobs here at the Guild, like electroplating and leather work of some types, and well, anything that they can find for me to do, that's what I do around here. Today I'm trying to work on a steering wheel for a 57 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham. The client wants hand-stitched leather wrap wheel. So what we are doing now is custom making something that's never been made before, a leather-coated wheel for the Cadillac. Well, the center of this wheel has been modified to fit a custom steering shaft. I've wrapped the plastic with something to give the leather a little bit of grip, but if I didn't do that, the leather would slip around it like that and wouldn't have a good hold. Now we've got something firm to attach to. Well, this is my stitching pony, which just basically is a third hand. I just sit on it. If I were doing an end stitch, I would clamp it in there like that, and it would free up both my hands and secure the work. I have the pieces cut out to the correct dimensions that will wrap around the bottom section of the steering wheel. I've initially laid out a row of stitching holes with my pitch finder. Basically, you run it along here, along the leather. It'll mark where the holes go. Then open up the holes with an awl. And once you do that 400 or 500 times, then you have to transfer the holes to the other side. I've waited 3 weeks for an order of the right color and right material thread. I only use linen in all my leather projects. Well, a synthetic thread is really slippery. The polyester just doesn't seem to want to hold a knot as well as waxed linen. So now we've got the thread and we can start our stitching. And I've already loaded up my needles. I'm using curved needles because they're easier to get under the leather. So I'm doing basically a diamond stitch. Go in and out several hundred times and eventually end up with a realistically clean pattern.